Hello, this is a how to cut a pomegranate. First, I want to give a few facts. It's pomegranate season, and the best ones I've found that are the most tastiest and biggest are at H-E-B. If you have an H-E-B in your town or close to you, try to go get one from there. They are sweet and fun to eat. They are also very good with health benefits. Just check out some of these top facts. They protect against heart ailments, and it also resembles a heart with the color and also some of the chambers. It also reduces risks of cancer. It lowers dental plaque. Oh, thank you, Lord. Reduces symptoms of anemia. Provides youthful and glowing skin. Oh, thank you. Provides relief from stomach disorders. Man, that helps me personally. And improves memory. That one as well. Also, we have some Bible facts. Pomegranates are mentioned 33 times in the Bible. They must be kind of special to God, I'd say. In Jewish traditions and writings, it refers to this fruit as a symbol of righteousness. Why? They say that because of pomegranate fruit can have around 613 seeds. That those seeds are representative of the commandments in the Torah, or the first 5 books of the Bible, which also is the number of 613. So that's pretty crazy. The fruit is also rumored to represent constant learning, knowledge, wisdom, and being fruitful. So, just some of those fun facts. And there's nothing in the Bible that says pomegranates are this way, but I know that God uses certain things in the natural to represent the spiritual. So, if that's true, thank you, Lord, and I like eating them. So let's get to the cutting part of the show here. What I like to do is cut this little top part off here. So let's try that. Alright. Then if you notice on your pomegranate, there are these humps all the way around. There's like 5 of them. So what I like to do is I run my knife all the way down those humps. So let's see what that does. Alright. And take your time, because this is the kind of fruit that you need to take your time and have patience with. It's not like eating an apple. It takes a lot of patience, and it's supposed to be something that you can just sit around and enjoy, and just take your time with. Me and my daughter actually like eating them together, and it can just be something that you use to socialize with. So, alright, so we got those 5 lines going here. And it's not always going to line up perfectly, but I've found that using this method is the best way. And after I get through cutting it, it should open up into a star shape. Now, usually when you try to do things on camera, sometimes it doesn't work exactly right, but we'll see. Let's just see if I can get some help here. Oh, see, there we go. One little piece didn't come all the way through. Alright, so it's supposed to fold down like that. And down like that. Down like that. Down like that. Alright. So, for the most part, that's how it's supposed to be. Now, I'm going to show you a top shot of this. It's supposed to fold out like that. Now, sometimes, as you see, it's separated here and there, but that can't be helped. Certain fruit is going to do its own thing, but look how beautiful that is. And then we'll just pull one of these out here. Looks like a little ruby. Look how shiny. And man, I tell you, these are really good. They're very sweet. If you've never had a pomegranate before, This will be a real treat for you and your kids, if you have any. All right, here. Let me give this one a try. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so now you can eat each little bulb by itself, but that will take ages, and that's fine. If you like spending all day eating one piece of fruit, go ahead. But what I like to do is this. I like to do a little bit of this. Now, also, I want to tell you, there's this white covering. Do not eat that. That is bitter. Also, do not eat the rind. That's bitter as well. Not good. So you want to make sure you pull off all these little white pieces. You don't want to eat any of those, because that will ruin your experience. And you'll be like, man, I don't want to eat those ever again. But if you do it carefully, you can actually take a bite out of it. And if you're gentle with it, your teeth can actually grip them and pull them off without ever biting into that white part. And I would suggest you just tasting a little bit just so you know the bitterness. And when you get used to it and practice, it becomes easier, just like anything. But don't be discouraged. Try it out. If you don't like it the first time, buy another one and try again. All right. I want to show you. See, it pulls away. It pulls away from these little bulbs on there. And it releases with whenever you bite down with your teeth, it releases. So good. You gotta try it yourself though. Don't take my word for it. Go buy a couple of them, 2 or 3, the big ones, and work with it. You know, if you don't like messing with the fruit, they also have pomegranate juice. It's good for you. Try it out. God made it for us specifically to help us with our health. So try it out. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm fixing to eat this whole thing, and that probably will take me 15-20 minutes. So I'm sure you're not going to want to watch all of that. But if you do, stay tuned, because I'm about to get after this, baby. I'm about to eat me some goodness. Okay? I'm about to get down on it. Okay, removing the white. It's the after hours show. If you stayed behind, man, you get to watch me eat some fruit. Aren't you lucky? Gosh, consider yourself lucky. You get to watch a man eat a pomegranate. Sweet. Kind of tangy, a little tart, you know. Perfect combination for a fruit. It's like God knew what He was doing. Some people like to put them in a bowl of water and just like beat on it until all the little bulbs fall out. If that's your thing, do that. There's other instructional videos on YouTube about how I'm doing that, but I like doing it old school, just eating it. Matter of fact, when I got into pomegranates to begin with, I was like, I wonder if there's, because I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how to cut into it. I was like very discouraged. But I wanted to try, I wanted to learn, I wanted to figure out. I was like, there's got to be a better way. And it was like God just was like, do this, you know. It's like He just told me. And ever since then, I've had this like special bond with pomegranates. I know that sounds weird, but they're pretty cool. And like I said, you know, you can use this as like a socializing time. If you got kids or if you got friends and you don't want to just sit around and sit there and eat pomegranates, and just take your time with it. You know, it's not something you rush through. There's certain fruits that you can do that, bananas or apples or whatever. But you gotta have patience to eat a pomegranate. And I think there's something special about that. I think God made this fruit that way for a reason. And just to sit here and take time and appreciate something that God has made for us slows you down, makes you think, makes you appreciate that you can be thankful. It's probably why I made it that way. And then, you know, you don't have to eat all of it at once. You can eat a little bit at a time and come back to it, you know. That's what's cool about it. Anyway, I won't keep y'all here too long. God bless y'all. See y'all later.